This video is a little bit unscheduled because I went to see my mate today, one of my best mates ever, and he knows it, and shout out to him quickly if he does see this video for some random reason, because he knows about my channel. I will leave maybe a link, if I remember, to his channel down below. But yeah, this video was actually very unexpected because I went shopping, Christmas shopping with him, and I went into this small shop called B&M in the UK. It's pretty big over in the UK, and they had some pretty cool XRS cars. And of course, one of them that I bought is Bobby Roadtesta, and I've got two other videos for you too. Of course, Punchy Wipeout I bought as well, and Steve Slickler Page, which is the Trunkfest Next Gen Racer. So, pretty cool. I'll do videos on those, of course, in the next coming days. I'll pre-record them for you guys. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's start off this review. So, of course, Bobby Roadtesta here is the usual Cars 3 stock car racer for the Carbon Cyber team. Of course, as we can see here, he is actually my favourite stock car. I love this green colour with this teal blue and the 67. Random number. I mean, just a random number for a car. Yeah, and then there is Jim Revrick here, which is the next gen racer. Yep, today we'll be taking a look at the XRS racer. I won't bring them all out. I didn't bring any of them out. All I did was just bring Bobby. Yep. Anyways, let's start this review. He's made by Mattel with no paper stickers. He's from the XRS Mud Racing line. Of course, there we can see the car. Bobby Roadtesta. There's his little, what do you call it? I forgot what they call it. Little, like, where they test it with a picture. Yeah, that. Then again, we've got the artwork here, which is pretty cool. Cars logo. Here's the back. You can see some other cars, like Phil Tankson, Chip Gearings, which I do already have. Of course, Bobby, which we'll take a closer look at today. And Punchy Wipeout, which I will probably review next, and then Steve Slickler Page will be last. Made in none other than ugly Vietnam. There's the RSN logo. I guess I have to buy these to open up. Mattel. And of course there's the barcode for some reason. But yeah, now let's start off to the unpackaging. So, here is XRS Bobby out of the package. Of course, don't get him mixed up with Bobby Swift, which is the Octane Gain Racer. This is the Carbon Cyber Racer. But yeah, now we'll be taking a closer look at his diecast. So you can see here, his expression is actually different to the diecast, but I will bring a closer look at him in a little bit. He's got mud at the front here on his bumper. Of course, he's got his lights. On the top, he's got this 67 XRS in this blue-white colour. Pretty cool. There's his ugly Vietnam eyes, which I do not like. 67 on the top. There's this hexagon pattern. I think they're hexagons. I've forgotten about maths. Yeah. Carbon Cyber again at the back. Pretty cool. Here's the sides. We can actually see he's got different coloured rims to the usual black. So I don't know why Mattel messed that one up. I guess because it was to do with the colour. And we can see the working suspension. His sponsors, Octane Gain, RPM, Revolting Clutch Aid. We've got side skirts here, or mud guards, whatever you call them, in whichever country. Yep, pretty cool. XOS there. Fuel cap to refuel him. On the back, we've got Carbon Cyber, and there's the little camera. 67. And of course, mud flaps. And here is the base. Still confused on how the code works for Vietnam. I mean, 3529 SD. What does that mean? I don't know. Made in Vietnam. Pretty cool. Of course, I do like Bobby Roadtesta, as I did say. Comparing to his diecast, we can see that he doesn't have Carbon Cyber on the hood, but he still has it on the back. Eye colour is actually the same, so nice to see they kept the brown. And of course, the rims are different. I actually do prefer the blue rims on the mud. It's a shame they didn't put them on this one, but I guess he was seen in the movie like this. Pretty cool. Here's the bases, both different. you can see that the colour difference is actually quite dramatic, actually. Yeah, and of course, like I did say, the expression is different. You can see that he's got open mouth, but this one doesn't. Of course, the sponsors are actually more different. But yeah, that does end today's video. My next video will most likely be on Punchy. It depends, because I've got to record the videos and I might get a little bit tired. Of course, yeah, I forgot there is a Disney Store version one of him as well, but I didn't bring that one out. But yeah, anyways, guys, if you're new, please make sure you leave a like. Dislike if you dislike. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification button down below. To the next one, peace.